Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to the another episode of Online Teaching Tool Series. Today I have come across with a new topic which is especially for maths and science teachers. So if you are handling maths and science subjects, be it in secondary level or higher secondary level, this tool what I am going to share with you today will be very useful for you when you are teaching science concepts as well as maths concepts. So let's tune in now to understand about this tool. So this tool is actually like a simulator. First of all, let me tell you what is a simulator. See, when you teach some concepts in science and mathematics, most of the concepts will be like an imaginary one. Like for example, if you are talking about atoms or if you are talking about particles, so how particles behave with each other, how atoms exist. So those things and all we cannot show them in the naked eye, we cannot see them in the naked eye, right? So a student has to imagine by himself or herself about how an atom looks like, how a particle looks like, and how they behave with each other. So most of the microscopic particles which is present, microscopic concepts which is present, which cannot be able to identify unless and until we have powerful electron microscopes available with us. And it is very higher cost, it is very costly. So nobody keeps such electron microscopes in their schools or colleges. So what you can do is you can use these simulator apps to make them understand about those concepts in a visual way. So you can show them in a visual and you can explain them each and every concept. So once a simulator, what we have is Phet simulator. So in Google what you have to type is Phet simulator, Phet simulator. So it was actually designed by University of Colorado, and this Phet simulator is free of cost and it has got simulations in all the subjects like physics, chemistry, math, earth science and biology. And they also provide based on the grade level. Like for example, if you are teaching for elementary level, that is from 1 to 5th, so you can pick elementary school. Or if you are teaching 6 to 8 concepts, then you should select middle school. If you are teaching for 9th and 10th and you want to see the simulations for those children, then you should select high school. Or if you are teaching in colleges, then you should select university. So likewise you have to filter it. Now you can see here so many topics, simulations are being shown here, like acid base solutions, alpha decay, area model introduction, balancing act, like static electricity, battery voltage. See, some of the simulations which we can do in real life application, for that also they have designed an application. Like for example, to check the pH of a solution, whether it is a acid or a base. So those things you can do it in lab also, right? But in simulations also they have made so that at home what the children can do is they can just do a practice by doing the simulations or by working with the simulations. Now this simulator is not only available for laptop or desktop application, it is also available in mobile. But for mobile you need to pay some little amount, maybe around 150 or 160 rupees when we compare it with the dollars, and which is very less cost. And it is something like we are giving a donation to them because they are taking this in the form of donation itself. So you can see here they have already written here donate. Yeah, and this simulator actually works in the browser itself, so you don't have to install any software when you are working with laptop or a desktop computer. So this will work in the laptop directly in your browser. You can use any browser. You can use either Firefox or Opera or Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, whichever you want, you can use. Now let me show you one example. Let me pick from chemistry. So if I filter that, only chemistry's concepts will be shown here. Like for example, suppose if you are talking about balancing chemical equations, this is one of the famous topic which will come in the 10th standard. When you click on that, so it will open you a simulator. What you need to do is you need to download this simulator file. Okay, so you just click on download option, and suppose if you are using it for the first time and you don't know how to access it, then you should see here. Okay, for teachers, PDF file is also given and video is also shown. So you can see that video and you can able to learn about it. Okay, now you can see this file is downloaded. Just click on this file. It will open a new tab in the browser itself, because it is like a HTML file only. And only if you are running Windows 7, it may ask you to install Java update. Okay, because in Windows 7 Java applet will not be available for browsers, so it will ask you to install Java applet. Otherwise, if you are using Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 or latest version of browsers, then no need to install anything, directly it will work. Now you just click on the introduction part. So this will be like only one example it will show, and after understanding about how it works, then you can go for a game. There you can able to see more exercises and you can able to understand about it. So just click on this. Now you can see here there is a equation given. So N2 plus H2 gives NH3. Now you need to balance these equations. So you can use certain tools like this so that you can able to understand how much stoichiometry is required to balance the chemical equations both on the reactant side as well as product side. So like this you can explain to the students visually. If you have a smart board in your school, you can keep your laptop, open this simulator app, you can explain this easily. So you just increase the number. So you can see here now 2 atoms of nitrogen is present. Now here also 2 atoms of nitrogen is required. So you increase it. Now nitrogen is balanced on the left hand side, but hydrogen is unbalanced. Okay, because 6 hydrogen, 2 3 the 6 is there. So what I have to do to make it 6, you need to add 3 here. So if you add 3, 3 2s are 6. Now you can see here on both the sides it is balanced. Number of nitrogen is also balanced. Number of hydrogen on both the sides is balanced. So this is for the reactant side, this is for the product side. The same way this is for the reactant side and this is for the product side. So once you complete this, okay, once you balance this, it will show you a symbol like this, a smiley, which means you have successfully balanced this chemical equation. So like this you can do it for various other equations as well. Okay, and here also you can see in games so many levels are available. In different levels different exercises will come and you can able to score it, okay, or you can able to balance it. So like this, not only this one, so many other simulators are available, and these simulators you can even share it in your Google Classroom like a link, and from Google Classroom also students can able to download it and they can able to access all these simulations. So not only chemistry concepts, in chemistry itself 42 simulations are available. So likewise in physics you can see so many topics are there. Even in math also so many topics are available. Okay, like Fourier transformation, pendulum law, Ohm's law. So this is somewhat related to physics and maths both, and earth science and biology. From biology also you can see about so a few topics like membrane and molecular polarity, pH scale, as I told you, right? So about all those things, so many effective simulations are available, which will help you to understand your favorite maths and science concept very easily. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a good day.